Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Waverley, Nova Scotia is a small community in the Halifax Regional Municipality, located between Dartmouth and Fall River. The community has a population of roughly 850 residents within the historic village area, while the broader Waverley area is home to several thousand people. Known for its lakes, forests, and long history, Waverley offers a blend of rural character and suburban convenience. The community was founded in the mid-19th century and takes its name from the Waverley novels written by Sir Walter Scott. One of the earliest settlers was Charles Pillsbury Allen, who established a chair factory after purchasing land in the area during the 1840s. His efforts helped lay the foundation for what would become a growing settlement. Waverley is best known for its gold mining history. Gold was discovered here in the early 1860s, triggering one of Nova Scotia's first major gold rushes. Prospectors and miners arrived from across Canada and overseas, transforming the quiet settlement into a busy mining community. Hotels, businesses, and services quickly appeared to support the growing population. The gold industry brought prosperity, but it also brought challenges. Like many boom towns, Waverley experienced periods of rapid growth followed by decline as mining activity fluctuated. Mining continued through various periods into the 20th century, although later attempts to revive large-scale operations were generally less successful than the original gold rush years. Evidence of this mining past can still be found throughout the community. Historic mine sites, heritage buildings, and local museums help preserve the story of the people who worked in the industry. Each year, residents celebrate their heritage through Gold Rush Days, a community event that recognizes the important role mining played in shaping Waverley's identity. Another important part of Waverley's history is the Shubenacadie Canal system. During the 19th century, the canal was developed to connect Halifax Harbour with the Bay of Fundy through a network of rivers and lakes. Sections of the canal pass through Waverley, making the area an important transportation link during a time when waterways were essential for moving people and goods. Nature remains one of Waverley's defining features. The community is surrounded by lakes including Lake William, Lake Thomas, and Rocky Lake. These waterways provide opportunities for boating, paddling, fishing, and other outdoor activities. The surrounding forests and trails also make the area popular with hikers, cyclists, and nature enthusiasts. Waverley is home to the well-known Chima Aquatic Club, one of Canada's leading canoe and kayak clubs. Over the years, athletes from the club have represented Canada at international competitions, including the Olympic Games. The club has helped establish Waverley as an important centre for paddling sports in Nova Scotia. Housing values in Waverley have increased significantly over the past several years, reflecting trends seen across much of Nova Scotia. Recent real estate data shows average home prices commonly ranging from approximately $750,000 to more than $800,000, with waterfront properties often selling for substantially higher amounts. Education is an important part of community life. Families in the area are served by schools within the Halifax Regional Centre for Education, including the nearby Charles P. Allen High School, named after one of Waverley's earliest settlers. Today, Waverley continues to balance its rich history with modern growth. Its gold mining heritage, scenic lakes, outdoor recreation opportunities, and convenient location make it a distinctive part of the Halifax region. Whether viewed through its historic roots or its present-day development, Waverley remains a community shaped by both its natural landscape and the people who have called it home for generations.
watching!